I love our kitchen. I just can't believe it's in our home.
My experience with Buy Wholesale Cabinets was a great experience. The cabinets we had before were builder grade, which they just kind of felt cheap. And when you closed them, it sounded cheap. And so these cabinets came to us, plywood construction, super sturdy, super hard. The soft close combined with that sturdy plywood construction, they just feel a million times better.
Now that it's done, I go in there and I can't even believe it's my kitchen. It seems completely custom. It's exactly what we wanted, and it's just so beautiful. I'm so happy with it.
We were able to have basically a custom kitchen on a wholesale budget. I was nervous about getting all those cabinets and having to build them, and in the end, I actually appreciated that part of the job the most. If you can use a drill, then you can do it. For us, money matters, and a third to the half of the cost of all of the other options we looked at, delivering just as high a quality product, if not better, it was a no-brainer.